Yo, I welcome you all back to OTV TV. This is your boy Imana, aka Kwame Africa. And you know, today's interview is going to be very, very late, you understand? It's going to be very thrilling. As I told you, you know, we are still in the Brum and Hafo region. And we are here, you know, at Kwaku Krom, yes, where we can find, you know, KG with a capacity of about 30,000 beds. Charlie, their farm is very big and very huge. So you don't waste time, just be with us as I interview, you know, the farm manager on the site currently to you. You know, subscribe to the channel and be part of the big family. Boop. And you said I'm no kind, you know, I have with me here the farm manager, you know, controlling everything on the farm. You understand? And he's in the place where I think we have a lot to learn here. So, you know, just follow up as we bring to you, you know, this exclusive interview, you understand? That in Bachapo, oh, yeah. Firstly, you better say, Behu, Udin, Baby, I will free, Juma Potina, we are say.
Me didn't the Asari Coffee Daniel.
Asari Coffee Daniel, all right.
And me free. Kokubedukum,
okay, okay.
And I do me no house me a farm manager.
Okay, only farm manager for the site. Okay. My farm me a very big pile. What's more about 30,000 capacity of beds. Sir. All right. I say it near KG, right? KG. And it's located at Kwaku Bedukrum. All right. So I get it. You know the location, right? Okay. Daddy, maybe na dream we shall say. Why na shall say now? And funny, you know, what year did they started? And after this one, why na shall say and where Jama why na Abesumi?
Okay. No, the shall say about 15 years ago.
The man shall say 15 years. Okay.
15 years ago. Nipano shall say no one still a Jumano Kitano.
Okay.
From Handover
Mobia. Okay. Into no one Casaho. Okay, and you are the one on our vessel, on our share a humanity. All right. You know, what do you vessel for the minimum say? When me moon said the mutia. You know, Papa no shas and the Botayanka San saying.
Okay. But I already say, Ghana, how a Juma had any.
Okay,
so one could school, even no school graduate baby.
Okay,
so I shall say, yes, or shall say, and I make a CC. I think a prank. First now, you may fire or hand on any pabes 5. This is you, 10 pabes 70.
Look at 10 pabes 70
or more. Okay, but I say, on so yeah, all
right,
okay.
And I learned some must have to produce more feed.
Feed.
Mamu feed. All right, you know, just be with us as I walk through with you to where they produce their feed. Okay. All right, so you know this a very big warehouse where they produce their feed, you know. They do everything. In fact, this is the first time I've come across, a farm with its own warehouse where it produces its feed and everything. Now, meaning say, my feed at the end of come. My say broke was say then I'm more than mix it.
Mix it. Some machine.
Okay.
Melon anyway. And they are blown go.
Okay.
Now, I'm man the cook with.
Okay.
To student I mix it.
Okay.
A fish and anyway so far from her.
Okay.
I'm missing in after 15 minutes now, baby uniform. No more, they are weak. Okay. In kilos. They are weighing in kilos at the manco.
Okay.
The son of my is one.
Now, Mosasu Tombiana.
Oh, yeah, per se, the Yanton.
And Tomoya for okay, I didn't want to free about the car feed, no. Meaning some toy brew. Okay.
The top fish. The top wheat brand. Okay. So yeah, been feed no.
You know, a Juma cost 20, and then I'll better say, they crowd, but never mind, just catch up. All right, so now a brew meaning some ton in large quantities.
When a ton baby.
Okay. Free, Ghana here, now more could be free.
Ghana hybrid, they are 90 supplying me payment. Okay. It can be free outside the Cote d'Ivoire.
What could be free Cote d'Ivoire?
Okay.
All right, I say Nankasana workers I know her.
I don't work as no. In fact, it's 17.
17. All right. So, you know, this is a very big farm. You know, it didn't just start today, but if you want to start something, you can just start as little. You can just start it step by step. And definitely you will get to where they are. They're having about 30,000 birds, as I said. 30,000, very, very huge. Very, very, very huge. You know, 30,000 birds, you know, a day in Kusiasa and Mutimiya.
There was a woman too. At the times, I'm not being much ahead and it depended. But I'm being who are quite a moon so hard. That's what, because I feel a bit more. Okay, the baby became home. Okay. See it be mount, I say, the be a young see. But make actual like who estimate here? If I estimate in the father say to me, I live there 50 boxes a day. 50 boxes a day. Okay. 50 boxes. 50 boxes, so it's a box like me 14. 14, okay. We have 14 by 50. Number. Okay, 14 by 50. Oh, okay. And that means, box in the advance area, a day beyond with me, a year get close to, let me check and see. Let's say 14 times 50. Okay, so a day beyond with me 700 crates. Oh, wow. A bro, but yeah. Wow. What targeted customers and Cassano wine? Oh, customers, they could will do a pie crack. Baby, before be the call a stream. North region. Be able to me for 100 buses, 200, 250. Tomorrow, fat, because you need to all right. And Cocobena, we are saying we are broiling and lay and lay and quan. Yeah, lay and quan. Lay and quan. Again, to focus on the Cosiano. Some of young Cosiano. Okay. Okay. Now, a Juma, you know, excuse me to say, mean to me more be a Juma, but Emuye. Juma, you know, Emuye. At the end of the day, when you be the theatre, when you are workers. I said, no man, I don't be an white. Baby Grana shot, Unyabi. I my problem. Yes, what the different I square now among us and I day. About form. The problem back of then Unyan and now, Chanauna. I say, Nipa, which you were doing it in my hand. Yeah, go cry, I'm correct. All right, so, you know, that's the major challenge, you know, they face. I say, you know, what the can be. But say, you know, the major challenge I face when it comes to, you know, poultry now, they are a major problem I face here. Okay, a major problem I face it with my dear. And then, so no man American. Okay. If I friend me, I know. Okay. Was it baby heat brown? I say, yeah. The rice brown. And they are replaced. And I do was one and move. Okay. The mood the same. Okay. Now, couldn't dear understand the young crew and I desire. To no man, I did feed movement. I see problem, especially a brew. Okay. And one man shortage, you know, those. Any importance, men and woman, you know, importance, they make a meet me. I can be, but we are a farmer. I think so. Also, with me up in pointing some. Sorry. I think so. With me up in pointing some of your friends and importance, you know, first why I want so as an individual, rearing your friends and poultry. First why I was so baby. First why I was so say, Diane. Okay. If we cook on I am bidi. Yeah, because so because I don't know idea Diane. And I say Namso free. Okay. You know, what kind of challenge, what kind in Faswa when you're free, so you know, it's up to you to decide. You know, this is a very good farmer. I'm very inspired, a very big one. A very, very big one. Let's wrap up, you understand. It's a very, you know, big farm, as I said, you know, it's in the Bruin land. So if, you know, be person on the Mundiga, be person on Crown Cosia, in Fumuswa, Akunya Ben, obit me, sir. Oh, obit me. Okay, obit me the number to go, obit me a frame, if only sell pen Cosiani Biaton. And my family, I'm a number. Okay, wait a minute, number. Say, I'm off a baby suit, we place what that. 02417
02417
38
38
299.
299. Okay, all right. So you know that's the farm for you. You understand? You know, that's the farm for you. If you want to buy from them, you know, you can just link us up. We can just get you in touch and just get to buy from them. You understand? You know, we respect your follow-up, subscribe to the channel as we bring most of this update to you. They have, you know, 30,000 here. They have more sound. What's more sound? 20,000. So they have about 50,000.
30 because 10 so baby.
Okay, into 60,000.
60,000
60,000 bets. No, wow. You understand? They are doing marvelously well. So you can just do business with them. Get in contact with us. We will link you to them. Then you do good business. You understand? I respect you. Shalom. Peace. Bye.